Give a short description of what MiFID is. What does it stand for? I keep forgetting them. Markets in
financial instruments directive. And of course, markets in financial instruments regulation. MiFID 2, if I'm not mistaken, 10 years later, MiFID 2 was introduced together with MiFIR, the regulation, which doesn't require transposition to local law and is effective immediately, any regulation. So effectively what MiFID is about is it regulates the provision of investment services throughout the European Union, the European Economic Area. The resumption and transmission of orders, execution of orders that commonly is called brokerage services, investment advisory services, portfolio management services with discretionary powers. So somebody can manage your portfolio on your behalf. Some professional expert can manage your portfolio on your behalf. Dealing on an account is regulated when provided in combination with other investment services and in relation to third parties. And the operation of markets like multilateral or other trading facilities, which is like mini stock exchanges effectively. So all these are investment services and activities which are regulated in the financial services industry, together with the relevant financial instruments. So different types of financial instruments like funds, equities, bonds, derivatives on any type of variable, including crypto, actually, interestingly, are defined as financial instruments, yes.
As a CFD?
Actually, you can have both.
Oh, okay.
You can have both a contract for difference, i.e. a CFD, or a derivative instrument. Okay. On any variable, including crypto assets, and they are all defined as financial instruments.
And that's under MiFID.
This is, by the way, interesting because a lot of crypto exchanges, especially the big ones globally, currently offer not only the ability for their clients to buy and sell crypto assets, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other, but also they give them the ability to trade in, let's say, futures in crypto assets. Those crypto asset services, in terms of the spot, the asset, are actually come under MiCA regulation, the new MiCA regulation, which was introduced end of the year, last year, 2024. But the futures, the derivatives in those assets,
is under the
are financial instruments, actually, and they come under MiFID. Yes. So these are two separate licenses required to operate effectively.
So then what is the major difference that the MiCA is required for then? So just break it down, right? So if you're a brokerage, you can offer the CFDs and you don't need a MiCA, you don't need to be regulated under the MiCA per se. So where does MiCA come in?
And this is why all brokers have been operating, for the last 10, 15 years. No MiCA was in place. Some of them might have operated in derivatives or CFDs in crypto assets, since they are defined as financial instruments without an issue, but they could not operate in crypto assets, cryptocurrencies per se. So they could not give the ability to their clients to buy and sell Bitcoin or any other crypto asset. Mm-hmm. This is a big breakthrough with MiCA now, which allows a firm which is authorized under MiCA to provide the ability to its clients to trade or receive other services, for that matter, in crypto assets, in spot cryptocurrency transactions such as Bitcoin or other.
Got it.
Yeah. And, interestingly also, the new MiCA regulation, the latest version, which came into effect, allows the same firm to be authorized both as a MiCA firm but also a MiFID firm at the same time. There are, of course, other considerations like, segregating liability or risk management matters or banking issues, for that matter, that clients take into account in order to decide. And many keep them separate eventually, but the ability is there and can be done. It's doable.
And so what is that main differentiation, that you need to be MiCA regulated to do what over and above MiFID?
If you would like to provide your clients with the ability to trade in spot crypto assets, cryptocurrencies, then you need a MiCA license. Mm-hmm. You can also provide them the ability to keep cryptocurrencies in wallets, so safekeeping. In other words, in what we call hot wallets, let's say,
yes,
Bitcoin holdings or other cryptocurrencies. Or if you want to provide them with advice or even portfolio management, mm-hmm, in relation to portfolios in crypto assets, again, you need a MiCA license.
Right.
Effectively, the big difference is the instrument we are talking about and not the service per se. Because you have similar services under both, more or less. You can do brokerage, you can do investment advice, you can do portfolio management, safekeeping, you can operate a crypto exchange under MiCA. But the main difference is, in terms of the MiFID firm, you have to do it in relation to financial instruments, which excludes any type of spot cryptocurrencies. Right. Cryptocurrencies would come under MiCA.
Thank you for watching that short. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to watch the full episode, it's available over here. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content, and follow us on Spotify. It helps the algorithm.